up, YouTube? It's a voiceover time, and I just want to give y'all a quick walk around of the Lexus to show y'all that the car is done. The car did come out exactly how I envisioned it. Um, Basically, I just quit uploading videos just because they wasn't doing, so well, and I didn't want to keep giving y'all something if y'all not gonna really watch it. So I just kind of quit, but I still kept working on the car in the background. Uh, So what y'all probably missed was, yeah, of course, the car was wrecked in that front right corner, pretty good. And so the last thing that really the thing I didn't upload was I repainted that front portion of the hood. And I actually did that with a spray paint can from Automotive Touch Up. Did just took my time, did the body work to it to get the hood straightened out. Luckily, it didn't need a lot of Bondo. It was just a little crease. So I got that, straightened out, and then took my time, prepped it, and then lightly started adding coats to it. And man, for it to be a paint job can in that front corner, it looks excellent. Like you can just barely tell that something was slightly different there, just because it blended good, like the color is spot on, but it's just slightly off that I can see. You will probably not even notice it. So you didn't see that part. And also, you can see now that the car does have some 22s on it. So those are the Lexani CSS7s, I'm pretty sure, on the 235 30 22 tire. So the reason it's on that is because I was looking at my factory tires that came on the car, and I was like, ugh, it's probably about time to replace one or two of those. And I ain't want to spend the money to buy factory tires because riding with Mike rides wheels. So I was on Facebook Marketplace. I found a good deal on these Lexanis, and I definitely went and picked those up. Um, so let's talk budget wise for a second. All in all, I picked the car up for $1,908, and then I have about another $1,000 into the car. If you remember, I had a $3,000 budget for this car to be up, running, and looking good, and I met that goal. I think I had $3,020 is what it ended up being to get this car registered and looking good. And then outside of that, with like the wheels and fixing some of the audio and stuff like that, I got another $1,000 in it. So that's wheels, audio, and what you also didn't see here that's included in that price was a complete front end suspension rebuild. That's new struts, new upper lower ball joints, new inner outer tie rods, the alignment for all of that. So got all that done as well. And then you also didn't see the music. So you seen where I did the refoam, but my actual factory sub ended up going out on me not long after I refoamed it. So I just replaced that with the MB Quart 10 from Amazon. It was like $55, and it sounds excellent. So the audio is sounding good. I got the car looking good. All in all, just a perfect daily driver. The paint when I first bought the car was faded, like the clear coat was starting to fade on it. I did a full paint correction on the car, and it is shining really nice. And then it's a good thing the car didn't really have any scratches on it, so got a nice shine on the paint. The interior was already in excellent condition. This car has over 195,000 miles on it, and the interior doesn't have rips or anything in there. So, as you can see here, to me, this was, the perfect build for me. Exactly what I was looking for in a daily driver car. Clean enough to drive every day. You don't look out of place. Just a nice, clean, everyday car. Um, so the only thing I would have done different for this car is with the headlights. I would have just bought the $450 aftermarket headlights, and I say that because when I first picked the car up and immediately on eBay I found the passenger headlight for $200. But as I was finishing up the car, I needed the chrome trim for the driver's side. That trim was $160. What I ended up doing was buying a parts only headlight and pulling the trim off of that and using that say only about $20. I would have just bought the eBay $450 headlights that were black, and it would have looked probably even better with the black 22s on it. That's really the only thing I would have changed. Again, for me to be in this car under $4 grand with it looking just like this, with every single thing in the car working, I think that's a win for me. So, me and my wife have been driving the car basically every single day. No issues to report. So, I'm happy. She's happy. So, this has been a successful Copart rebuild. So, hope you've enjoyed everything. And YouTube, I'll check you out later. We might get us another build coming here pretty soon. Peace out.